Unlock a world of convenience and unleash new insights with the Cat Central app. Here, you'll get a hub of knowledge and support that make it easier to own and maintain your cat equipment. Keep your equipment running with access to an array of maintenance resources. Stay proactive and minimize downtime with real-time service recommendation notifications. Asset insights keep you informed and allow you to view fuel levels, asset location, and health summaries at a glance, and get access to 24/7 support and advice from experts in-app or over the phone. Cat Central is a gateway to a unified digital experience. You can quickly access financing options like the ability to earn rewards on qualifying purchases through Cat Vantage Rewards. You can even enroll for the Cat Card. Caterpillar is placing convenience into your hand whenever and wherever you need it most, whether you're tracking the status of customer value agreements or connecting with your trusted cat dealer. They're available when necessary to help you avoid extended downtime. Just request service for your equipment directly in the app. You can also scan your asset's QR code to instantly access factory-fit parts and shop from the largest selection of genuine cat parts while viewing local availability. Get all of this and more within the Cat Central app.